morning, my dear students. Nasigi, pina tamgadulba chapter se, chapter 9 gi third part ni. Third part sida harise kainobu triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. Habin sig matang gani ko ai negatu se. Sida theorem mama lai theorem singu theorem se explain toge ko. Triangles on the same base between or equal base ko. And between the same parallels are equal in area. Habiti base ama kakta da natraga manaba base da khamra parallel ani gi marakta hemba triangle singse area manai habisini koina proof to gudu se ko matang sida given condition hana igani ko given the triangle ABC and the triangle DBC से are triangles on the same base BC and between the same parallels kana BC and AD hai gani ko si marak ta semba triangle sing ko hojik to prove praman tawgata base karino habata area of triangle ABC se is equal to area of triangle DBC habisini equality praman tawgadu se adu construction ni matang da construction da kari construction changba da kya hai se BE parallel to kana CA BE se parallel to CA and CF parallel to BD are drawn. Makoy ani chi sing harani ko. Koi hujik proof ta lakadu se we know that parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Album like since kana BCAE and the kana BCFD ko are parallelograms on the same base BC ko mathakta irake BC and between the same parallels kana BC and the EF ani sigi marakta semba oibana ko sida EF amsung BC marakta semba oibana area of Therefore, area of parallelogram BCAE is equal to area of parallelogram BCFD. Habisnya area mana deh kong? Sini relation one tu ni na lau si. Since diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. Si oi maram na project se project E B C A E C D A B na diagonal orbani na area of triangle ABC se kana mana gani half of area of parallelogram BCAE Shima in equation 2 and area of triangle BCFD sida BCD sina diagonal amu draw adu tardi DBC haiba triangle sigi area se half area of parallelogram BCFD si wale sina relation 3 wale ko sumai to tuna relation 1 2 3 ko khange 1 2 3 sidagi pulap sulaga aikon haji kari phungti angji ko relation 1 sidagi sigi tangkhai ga ko cheni si manai manabani sigi tangkhai se manabam thue adu tar cheni si manani ko from 1 and 1 2 and 3 we get area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. Thus triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal. I will see hence proof. Mai tau tuna theorem se praman tau ko. Abra sumai na koina theorem se tai se kai nubu kai gumba triangle ani se same base ta adu between the same parallels ta same board abadi area managani have se koina khang batare ko. Masing gota ni theorem se chapter se gi ko. Hoji angka amani taksi. Question number 1. Ahan bagi question sida in the figure, E is any point on the median AD of triangle ABC. ABC की triangle ABC की median AD sida like by E बिंदु से any point अमने को try the lower side anywhere को अगर show that उल्लुम जुदे triangle area of triangle ABE ga ACE ga anji area mana hai si tu hai bani ko kasi kamai ut ka dagi to yang si ko sida given condition da kari E is any point on median AD of triangle ABC है triangle सिगी median का लेबा any point अमनी to prove प्रमाण तौगतबना area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACE है को मसी होइतारगदी एकोइन हुजिक कोने खंगी मदुदी triangle अमगी median अमना triangle दुबु मानबा area मानबा triangle अनि थोना खाइदुई हमरा अदुई वफंदना हुजिक ADC ना ABC हाइबा triangle सिबु ABD ACD हाइबा area मानबा triangle अनि थोना खाइदुकनी को अदा proof that दाओ proof that हुजिक we know that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. हाइदी area मानबा triangle अनि दोन खाइदुई है खंगेबको since AD is a median अमो ओइबा मरमना area of triangle ABC सिगी area अमो ओइबा मरमना असी ओइबा मरमना एकोइ median अमो ओइबा मरमना area of triangle ABD से ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD सिगा मानरानी सिजे equation 1 अनि थोलो को again को since ED is also a median of triangle EBC की median ना area of triangle EBD is equal to area of triangle ECD times मानेगा नहीं कौन अतिदिशन relation 2 वरो अदुगा subtracting equation 2 से from 1 से देखिए 2 से खाई दो चुका we get area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD is equal to area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle ECD सी खाइदोको माननानै को अदुदि implies that area of triangle ABE लेरनि को सिगी ABD सिगी EBD खाइदोदि ABE लेरनि को ABE is equal to area of triangle ACD दगी ECD खाइदोदि ACE hence proof Smai to udana praman tore ko sini Smai to udana hot kini ko suna anu question silore masidai ko na base tauba agar ji hutum matamda phumoi na season ai se kaino ku triangle amagi median amana triangle dubu area manaba triangle ani thon khaidoi haiba se ko mamang yaw ko bani ko sing matungina holopani ani shubu question amaga pige question da in a triangle ABC E is the midpoint of the median AD so that triangle BED is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC matang se koi geometry da kamai yek kadagi have se amaru oi ko adi yek pa hana ta ke ojik se triangle se equina smaina yes ko triangle ABC haiba ma hana sida si triangle ABC juni haina lawse adu magi median AD haiba se smai chingani ko median khangi ko aduna mayai bindu ni se aduga E sina kanagi sisigi AD sigi mayai bindu ni haibane ko adudi praman tau hai se BED haiba sigi triangle sigi area se 4 times the area of triangle ABC ga mani hai sigi praman tau bus ora aduna question number kaya question number PD ko ado se given the kari hagani habada E is the midpoint of median AD of triangle ABC have a triangle sigi median AD ki bayai bindu ni habane to prove praman tawata bana area of triangle BED have a siga equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC sini ko kamra sida proof ta lakadai se since AD se is a median of triangle ABC median ama web maram na area of triangle ABD se ABD sigi area se masi half area of triangle ABC sigi area gi takhai ga manai ko adagi mo again in triangle ABD sigi manungda ko since E is the midpoint of kana AD ki mayai bindu oi maram na hojik BD is a median of triangle ABD have a median amane ko therefore area of triangle BED have a kana manage bu half area of triangle ABD gi tangkai ga managane ko sina relation 2 ro okay now from a 1 and 2 half ABD ki mahuta half of AB se sinjalo ko from 1 and 2 we get the area of triangle BED have a set is equal to half into half area of triangle ABC ABD से सी area से half of ABC ga mana banina si chinjalane ba ko like that area of triangle BED habni ko BED se usi area se kana mana re half half prinari 1/4 area of triangle ABC habni hence group smai tau dana ku praman tau re ko am tiali ko aduna sidai ko na khangadab se magi median amana triangle sibu area mana ba triangle ani thong khai joi habni na AD na median orabnya sigi anji mana gani aduna ABD se half of ABC ga mana haba relation ma aram fange again E se AD gi mayai bindu de habni na triangle ABD gi manung da khanar pada E se mayai bindu oi batar badi BE se kana gi BD haidre E ne BE haigada ne BE is a median of triangle AB kana D ABD sigi median amu oi re BE sina hoji BE se median ota di BED haba triangle siga songi triangle siga mana gani habadi triangle ABD gi tangkhai ga mana na smai relation mu phange ko BED se hoji relation ani se changtham na kum tam da ani se sida ABD gi area ga siga mana hare adudi sina siga mana hare ABD sigi muhuta si chinjala kadam ne ko aduna si chinjala ko na half sim sai le jere sina half of ABD gi area di half of ABC gi area ga mana chinjala adudi 1/4 tare aduna 1/4 of area of triangle ABC ga whole triangle CE se ABED haiba BED haiba triangle CE area se whole triangle ABC gi saruk mari thopagi amaga manai haina soi proof tore sini koina sibong tawse mathangi round da amu lakpa matamda sigi makha akapola khini ko kakhra yame ana sigi geometry gi saruk se koi loibang ngamna ba kan hona se aduga muksumu sikhang bangam na ba phajana nitine yango okay let us finish for today